Good day, my name is Romina Ann. Today we'll explore the life of one of greatest heroes in Philippines, Andres Bonifacio. Bonifacio was born in November 30, 1863, in a small hut in Calle Ascarga, presently known as Claro M. Avenue in Tondo, Manila. During Spanish colonial period. His father, Santiago Bonifacio, works as a craftsman and local official, while his mother, Catalina de Castro, works in a tobacco factory. He is the eldest of 5 to 6 children, which helped him shape his sense of responsibility at the young age. His formal education was very limited. He studied under Guillermo Osmeña of Cebu and attended elementary in Tondo. Bonifacio life is marked by hardship because his family lived in poverty, and when he was 14 years old, both of his parents died. So this forced him to stop his formal education and take responsibility for his younger siblings. To support his younger siblings, he worked various jobs such as selling paper fans and wooden canes, as well working as a messenger and warehouse clerk in a foreign company. This experience exposed him to harsh realities of colonial society and strengthened his awareness of injustice and inequality. Even though Bonifacio didn't finish his formal education, he became self-educated individual. He spent much of his time improving his knowledge of Spanish Tagalog. He read important works such as Noli Me Tangere and El Filibusterismo by Jose Rizal, Les Miserables by Victor Hugo, The Wandering Jews by Eugene Sue, as well as writings about French Revolution and political system. These readings help shape his idea about freedom, equality, and nationalism. Bonifacio remained determined, disciplined, and committed to learn, often treating his workplace as place of study. Bonifacio, as a Supremo, led the Philippine Revolution of 1896. Through his leadership, the Katipunan spread rapidly, and the Filipinos were inspired to fight for their rights and dignity. He represents the voice of ordinary Filipinos. One of the important moments in history under his leadership was the cry of Pugat Lawin, where Filipinos symbolically declared their resistance by turning out their cédulas. From Andres Bonifacio, we can learn important values such as patriotism, courage, equality, leadership, and self-improvement. Andres Bonifacio remains a symbol of freedom and national pride in the Philippines. His early struggles shaped his strong character. His leadership sparked revolution. His values continues to inspire Filipinos today. It reminds us that real change begins with the courage and strong desire to fight what is right.